Hey guys, Ranger Rampage with an informational video this time. Let's take a look. So this is a Cobra Old 19 Ultra 3 CB radio that I got, and I just finished installing it today. Total pain in the ass. So as you can see, it's got wire cable. This is your positive and your ground. I put it behind this, so it goes in behind my vent, stereo, four-wheel drive, lighters. Truck got a new name. Ranger Rampage is now running around with private numbskull. Alright, so down here, the wires came in, down, see, there's that one, goes out through there, and then my ground, I fed up through here and around, and I have it bolted in behind here. Let me pop that off. Oh, come on, be nice. Whoo, almost broke it. So, I've got my negative bolted in there. And then the antenna, which is that little thing up there, I have the cord for it running down along the window. Stuff it back into its little spot. I've got it pinched in there, comes down behind the door stuff, comes in, up along the dash. So back in through here, kind of stuffed it down into the corner, and then the antenna comes up to that. And I now have a functioning CB radio. So if any of y'all need to install a CB into a 98 Ford Ranger, oh, it's a pain in the butt because there's like no place for the little bracket in here. You can see it right there. Yeah, there's no place for that to actually mount onto something. That is a aftermarket bolt. It didn't come with the CB. I went and bought a bolt, a lock washer, and then there's a nut down under there that I had to feed in through here. So while I had this off and was feeding these down into there, I had to drill a hole through the hard plastic that's like that far from this crap. This needs to go away. And that's how I got that mounted. Hope this was informative. Hope whoever's putting a CB into a 98 Ford Ranger gets some helpful hints and tips from this. Until the next one. Later, guys.